Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today, get ready to have your mind blown, because we're taking you inside one of the most jaw-dropping luxury machines ever built, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, worth a staggering $3 million. This isn't just a truck, it's a rolling 5-star hotel. And once you see the inside, you'll understand why this beast is redefining the meaning of luxury on wheels. From the outside, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 looks bold, futuristic, and commanding. Its sleek chrome accents, aerodynamic design, and massive presence on the highway make it impossible to ignore. But the real magic begins the moment you step inside. Imagine walking into a private penthouse, except it's on wheels. The living area is designed with ultra-modern leather seating, handcrafted wooden finishes, and a massive entertainment system that feels more like a cinema than an RV lounge. Every inch has been carefully crafted to scream elegance and comfort. Move further inside and the kitchen will blow you away. We're talking about a fully equipped gourmet setup, marble countertops, induction stove, smart refrigerator, and even an automated coffee machine to keep you fueled for those long road trips. Now let's head to the bedroom, where things go from luxury to unbelievable. A king-size bed with memory foam, ambient LED lighting, and panoramic windows that give you stunning views of wherever you park. It's like sleeping in a luxury hotel suite while traveling the open road. And yes, the bathroom is no ordinary bathroom. Full walk-in shower, designer sink, premium fittings, and enough space to feel like you're in a luxury apartment instead of a motorhome. No compromises here, just pure class. The cockpit itself feels like something out of a futuristic jetliner. Digital displays, AI-assisted driving, climate control, and the kind of comfort that makes long drives effortless. It's built for power, built for control, and built for prestige. So is the $3 million Kenworth T2000 Motorhome worth it? For those who want the best of the best, the freedom of the road, and the comfort of a luxury mansion, the answer is yes. This is more than just transportation, it's a lifestyle, a statement, and a dream on wheels. If you enjoyed this sneak peek into the future of motorhomes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Auto Plus is your home for the most luxurious and futuristic rides in the world.